Dr. Pachauri, the IPCC is now going to be under review. Does this review give more credibility to your organization, or is it doing the opposite, basically saying that this is an organization that needs to be overseen?
Firstly, let me clarify, we asked for the review because you see the IPCC has been in existence for 21 years. It's done a remarkable job of bringing science on the subject of climate change. But there were, unfortunately, some mistakes that were made, and those were human mistakes. And we believe that what we really need to do is to review our processes and procedures whereby we eliminate or minimize the possibility of such mistakes in the future. So it was last month that we wrote to all the governments saying that we'd like to carry out an independent review. And after a lot of consultation with ministers from various countries and the Secretary General of the UN, we came up with this joint approach where the Secretary General and I requested Inter-Academy Council to carry out a review. And that's what they're going to do.
So how does one decide who's going to be on the panel, and are climate change skeptics going to be on the panel to give it more credibility?
Well, this is a totally independent review, and we're not going to enter into deciding who's going to be on the panel. I'm sure they'll exercise a lot of discretion in choosing those who not only are independent but appear to be so. We have no role at all in this review because we want it to be totally sanitized, totally independent and completely objective.
The UN is now trying to restore credibility to its panel report on climate change, but already polls show that the number of people who believe that climate change is a man-made problem has fallen. And that's not good news at a time when the UN is trying to get world leaders to take tough action on reducing greenhouse gases. At the UN headquarters in New York, Sarah Jacob, NDTV.
Tuba.com